All right, guys, yesterday was having fun with exponents, but today we're going to have even more fun with exponents, so more exponent stuff. All right, just a review from yesterday. You have 4 squared to the third power. Remember, when you have one exponent raised to another one, you always multiply the exponents. It'd be 4 to the 6th power. And everybody knows that 4 to the 6th power is 4,096, and that's all you do with that one. The second one, when you multiply the same base, you always add the exponent. So that's a 1, that's a 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Negative 8 to the 4th power is going to be positive because it's an even power. Guess what? It's 4,096. So I guess if you don't know what the answer is, you should put 4,096. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. 2/5 to the third power. Remember, the fraction rule is fraction raised to a power. You raise the numerator and the denominator to that power. 2 cubed is 8. 5 cubed is 125. And there you have it. Next one, scientific notation. If sorry about that. With scientific notation, I'm going to go ahead and divide the 6 and the 9, which give me 0.67. If you subtract the exponents on the 10, negative 4 minus 7 is negative 11. Now, obviously, that's not scientific notation. I got to put 6.7. And because I moved it to the right, you have to add a power to the 10. So I'm going to make that negative 10th power right there instead of negative 11 to keep me in scientific notation. So one more slide. Okay, one doozy here before I let you go, and that's everything in there to the third power. Now, my advice is work inside out, work everything inside that you can. For example, the x's, subtract the exponents from the x's, that gives you 1x on the top. With the y's, I'm going to do 6 minus negative 2, which is 8 in my denominator. All that cubed, so it gives me x cubed over y to the 24th. Again, power to a power. Multiply your exponents. Sorry about that. And that's all you got. So hopefully wasn't a big deal. Just a quick review. You want to make sure you had it still, those skills from earlier today, and we'll work on it again tomorrow. So get those exponents